Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, can you tell us your name and the name of your farm plantation?
Okay, my name is Geoffrey Nade.
Okay, sir.
I'm the administrative manager, Knowledge Oil Palm Plantation at Milling Nigeria Limited.
What do you basically do in Nonet plantation? You say it's Nonet.
Nonet
Okay.
Oil Palm.
What do you do in Nonet?
We are into commercial agriculture.
Okay, sir.
Basically palm production.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's our major business.
Okay, sir. Where is it located, sir?
It's located here in Nguo, Okojongo. It's our corporate headquarters.
Okay, sir.
But we have our plantations, in Nguo and Ihonya City. We have our project whereby we have over 5,000 hectares of land. We are developing. Yeah, we are developing for investors who have interest to key in into what we are telling the world to come in and invest with us. Because if you invest, I will show you what we are doing. We have vast land, we have a map indicating a picture. You see it and you see our work, what we are doing. We have over 120 staff we are paying.
So what can you tell us about palm plantation and production?
Palm production is a long-aged farming we have in this part of the country. Palm production is one of the agricultural products we have in eastern Nigeria, and over the years our forefathers have been in this business, and it's very lucrative, it's sustainable, it yields, it gives us hope for the future. Because in palm produce, over the years, we use it to develop our economy. For our households, we use it. Then, if you talk of the gains we have from palm produce, it's enormous. In every household, we use oil for our cooking. We use palm oil for other things like soap.
Okay.
We use palm oil for energy. So there is numerous. It depends on what and what we want to use oil for.
Can you tell us the growth?
Knowledge Oil Palm Plantation and Milling is a company that embarks on palm produce. We have been in this business over 35 years. We start from nursery. We import seedlings from Malaysia. These seedlings, when we import it, then we put it in the nursery for about a year. Then it will be ready for planting. Duration is 2 years. It will start to fruit. And in fruiting, it gets about between 27 heads to 32 heads in a year. So the yield is very, very high to compare with other local palms we have, like Tenera. This one is Malaysia hybrid.
It's different from the local breed?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the ones we have in Nigeria. It's purely commercial.
Commercial.
Yeah. Like in Malaysia, for instance, Malaysia is one of the highest developing economy in the whole world. It is from this agriculture, from this palm produce, that the economy is driving high. So we want to sustain it. We want to use this palm produce to develop our economy. It is very, very important. And we are telling the world, especially our people here in Nigeria, let us embark on this. That if we embark on this, we will not be talking of this oil from Niger Delta. This one, when you plant palms, it's good for picnic. Understand? People will come and see it You see our palm plantations is a place where you come, you relax. And you know that it's not only palm oil. You derive palm wine from
palm tree.
From palm tree. It is medicinal. So like this enako we produce here that deals with cough and other things, or some ailments. We use palm oil to treat that. Then talk of in grocery shops where you have soaps, pomades. Most of them use palm oil for it. So what we derive from palm fruits is enormous.
And it seems every item in palm tree is very variable.
Very, very.
Ranging from the leaf.
Ranging from the leaves.
To the tree itself.
To the trunks.
To the trunks.
Yes.
Okay. To the palm wine.
Palm wine.
To the fruits.
To the fruits.
The kernel.
Palm. We have there are two things: palm oil, PKC, and then we have PKO. These are derivatives from palm oil.
Palm oil.
PKC. This vegetable oil.
Okay, the difference.
Yes, vegetable oil is different. Red oil is different. Okay. So all these things is derived from palm produce.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Buy nylon. It's nylons. Buy them. Buy sand.
Buy sand, correct?
Yes.
You can use it.
Not sand. So put it into the nylon bags. Put the spotted nuts. So we sow it to start to germinate. It's very, very delicate because we ensure that we use weaving wood to munch it for munching, so that it will not be killed by some harsh weather. So we have up to 15,000, 20,000 seedlings.
The one at home are different.
They're different,
but they're smaller. They're smaller. But they're the same price.
Same price.
Do you teach people how to plant it?
Yes. Yes. Give them how to plant it.
And the spacing.
9 meters in 4 triangle. 9 meters in 4 triangle. Yes.
See the palm fruits.
Okay, sir.
The ones we just cut it yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And they're still there. We'll meet them in the farm.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So these are palm fruits. We apply fertilizer in maintenance. We apply weed control chemical. We spread. When you reach there, you see how we maintain the farms. You see, these are cooking pots which we use locally.
The local production.
Yes. But I told you I was into modern factory production. This one is the thresher, for instance. Put the palm fruit here to thresh it.
Like
Yes.
to remove
To remove
the nuts.
The fruits.
The fruits.
Then from this process, just go to cooking. Then this one, use it for,
The grinding.
yeah. After this process here, so move to this one.
This one has to do with
The squeezer, if you squeeze
out the oil.
yes, oil. That's time. So you put it here, from here, then you cook it again. After cooking it again, then you get the red oil. Understand?
This tool is still functional.
Yeah, this one is not functional.
Not functional.
Not functional. Yes. That's it. Use it to crack the palm kernels.
Palm kernel. Okay.
To get the result is what you saw here.
Yes. Nuts.
Yes.
Before you now sell.
Yes.
Okay.
So this one is the chaff and the palm kernel nuts.
Okay.
After squeezing it there,
Yeah.
then it will go to this process.
Yeah.
Then you get the avuvu,
The fiber.
the fiber. Use it for energy.
Okay. Yeah.
Use it for any household energy production. So it's here. See it in heaps.
So basically, everything about palm tree is valuable.
It's valuable. The kernels. You see it?
Yes, sir. And it's used in making soap and other
soap.
stuff.
You get vegetable oil. Understand? We use it in Ishite in Noako.
Okay.
Understand?
Kowalum now.
Bayelum Pocha.
Bayelum Pocha.
Pocha boy, you took me and do the neck.
Okay.
Name the Kana, what I don't work it. Why I did you want to wish you know that I'm working with a Charlie and they got a good Boleto Kana, I read 3 times daily.
Yeah.
Every day. Boleto Kana, manage Malay, do the neck, Pocha, and they catch me.
Look at you.
So my eye and them.
That's some point of winning.
I hate Malo Beneg. Yes.
Never going to one.
I dare men one beside to walk. How I need one. Manu did one. Open the bed, Mala. So I be happy to challenge.
It's all covered. It all depends. Mostly it's used for drink. It contains natural yeast and alcohol, but it contains natural yeast.
Okay, sir.
For the economic value, many tappers use it to cater for their family, for their well-being, for the upkeep of their family.
Okay, sir.
Then on entertainment angle, it is used for entertainment, especially where there is occasions like marriage ceremony, burial ceremony, and other ceremonies like town feasts.
So basically everything about the constancy Igbo gathering. There's always palm wine.
Palm wine, yes. It's a cultural. It has cultural value. Like here in Afia Maya, that is why it's called Afia Maya. It has a cultural value for people of Ubina. They are the #1 for palm wine production in the whole country.
The whole country?
Yes, and they produce unadulterated palm wine. Unadulterated. Not the ones that are adulterated.
So there are differences between adulterated and unadulterated?
This one is straight from God to man, natural. As you get it from the palm tree, you bring it down. You don't bring anything, especially this square. You don't bring anything that is adulterated.
How is it adulterated? With water or some other
substances? From substances. Okay. Like these days, if you go to social media, that's what you yourself. They put chemical, sugar. The natural palm wine is not always sweet.
Okay, sir.
If you see any palm wine that's continue being sweet every time, it's not natural. Something is added, and most of those additives are cancerous to health. It for the first time, you have this palm wine for the first time, it will be sweet. Time goes on, it will be reducing. It will be reducing. It can be sweet always.
Is there any difference between Nkwenu and Nkwan?
That's Nkwenu is the one that is up palm wine. That's the one we are talking about.
Okay,
The one you get from palm tree, like these ones here. straight from bottle, unadulterated. But the other one where you call Nkwan, I don't know how they at times they chemicalize it, they bring roots and all this and make concoction. So that's why they call it Nkwan. There's nothing like Nkwan. There's no palm tree that is gotten from the ground.
It's always from
it's always if you want to rape
natural
palm wine. So any other thing is concoction, which
is detrimental to health.
Instead of all these beer, that is all these chemicalized.
Yeah, you just take the natural one.
Take the natural wine if you can afford it. The only thing is
it's usually expensive.
Yes, the original palm wine is usually a little bit. Depending on the season, like between August, September, October, it's plenty. But like this time, the thing
because
it's scarce.
It's scarce. So the price is high.
The price is a little bit high. But even during Christmas time, depending on the occasion. If there's occasion, and it all depends on supply and demand.
So basically, it's seasonal.
It's seasonal.
Season determines the price.
The season determines the price, and also supply and demand, depending on if there's a lot of occasions. The demand will be high, so there's no fixed price. But like other
like Stabia and stuff.
So palm wine has so many, and the demand is people are taking to it more than all these other forms of drinks. The yeast, it contains natural yeast and it's good for eyes. There's so many things that can write volumes about palm wine.
Yes, sir.
That's natural palm wine, or not concocted palm wine. So that's it.
Thank you, sir.
All right.